Hey folks, this is Wesley $1 Virgin. In this video, this is probably the laziest way to make money online as a beginner, and I'm talking about $100 per day. Imagine bringing in $100 per day, no skill is necessary, and I promise you no money at all. As you watch this video, you won't need it. What I'm going to show you, the loophole, is something that I did when I was broke, busted, just like a lot of you. Listen, I love you, but it's time for you in 2022 to make some money. Smash the like button if you believe me. Listen, folks, the reason why I'm talking kind of low because I'm kind of under the weather, but I had to get this video out to you because many of you have been commenting below, said, Wesley, is there a lazy way to make money? And guess what it is? First step is I want you to go to a site by the name of ebay.com. Now, I know what you're thinking. Now, I'm selling ebay.com. I don't want to sell on eBay.com. Listen, okay? Most people, what they don't understand is when they try to post products on ebay.com like this, well, you're spending money, right? Because you got to buy the BS and then you got to post the BS and hope somebody's going to buy it. Well, listen, that's the broke way of doing it, okay? That's not how rich and successful people do it online. So what I'm going to do is give you a little trick here, because I love you, big head, how to just make a quick $100 a day without spending your money first, right? Using other people's money, or using this little trick here that I'm going to show you in the video so you can start making money online today in 24 hours here, okay? Listen, first step is you got to find a product on eBay that does well. Now, understand this. eBay is a $1 billion company. Everything that you see here on the first page of eBay, like if I go to the front page here, all these products are popular, okay? They're selling, right? That means there's no need to do any research because eBay is not going to put a product on their front page that's not selling. Does that make sense? So what I want you to do is take out a sheet of paper and a pen, and I want you to copy down this product, Canon, Samsung, this laptop, this weird looking hoodie, and this watch. I want you to copy all this down. This is important. Write it down, copy and paste, because these are the products that you're going to sell. It is no sense of trying to sell something that you like. You want to sell something that's already selling. Smash the like button right now if that makes perfect sense. Many people online never make money as newbies because you're trying to be so innovative and you're trying to be different. Question, do you want to be different or rich? Okay, if you want to be rich, just follow this video and do exactly as I'm going to share with you right now in the video here. And smash the like button if you like Wesley Virgin. So check it out. So you want to copy these products down. So let me give you an example. Say if what I want to do is this TV. Now, obviously, you can't afford a TV. I know. I get it. You don't have to spend any money. As promised, you don't have to spend a dime, and you're going to make over $100 minimum per day doing this little trick here that I'm doing, or that I did when I was broke, honestly. True story here. So check it out. So the Samsung TV, what you want to do is create an eBay profile, and you basically want to post this exact TV, okay? Post it again. Why? Because 6 sold in the past 24 hours, right? Let me ask you a question. Do you want to make money now or later? Smash the like button if it's now. Like, I'm going to make money now. So you want to only post products that are already selling, but you're going to compete with them quickly. That means people are searching for this product right now on the website, okay, to make money online for you, okay? So what you want to do is copy this, everything, and now the next step is, well, you want to find the product. Because I know what you think, well, Wesley, how can I post it and I don't have the product? Listen, this is the trick. You don't need to have the product yet at all. I made over $30,000 one month when I was broke doing this, right? At first, I was making like $100 to $150 a day. And when I discovered that it worked, which you're discovering right now, I just did it over and over again, okay? And as a matter of fact, I got free traffic that I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to this stuff. And it's crazy how this stuff works, but it works very quickly and it works fast. So if you're looking for fast money to make money online the lazy way, pay attention. So check it out. So I go to a site like wayfair.com. Go here. People don't know about wayfair.com. Maybe you do. Well, you can search that same TV and you can see how much they're pricing it for. And you may say, well, they don't have it here. Or I may cut some of this out, put Samsung, do it like this. Samsung 43, see if they have that TV for sale. Boom, boom, boom. They have a few here. Look at this, $82 here, $76 here. $94. The crazy part about TVs, people spend so much money, but on different websites like Wayfair, Amazon, they're like super cheap, right? People just not aware of it, right? Because people don't do research, right? I mean, you do, obviously. You research me and say, Wesley, you're a fantastic guy. That's the reason why I'm going to smash like on all your content, because I love you, bro. Thank you. Look, but check it out. So you do the research because you're smart. Rich people are smart. Poor people, they never do research. They do nothing. Rich people, they model other successful people like myself, and they make money here. So what you do is you search for the TV. That's it, and find a good price for it. Okay? But listen, you only have to search for the TV until you actually sell it from eBay, right? When people, they're going to start to bid, they're going to start to buy now. And once you put your price structure, all you want to do is competitive with this guy. $353, you could do it for $350, you could do it for $349, doesn't matter. Like $349 is a magic number, and you post it. And listen, you do this for every single product right here. That's the first thing you do. You post exactly what you see here, and you're just very competitive. Like that's $698, you do it for $599. That's $235, you do it for $229. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you're getting excited because you're about to make money. And listen, you don't do nothing until you get the money from the customer. Duh. And you keep the profits. That means if you sell this laptop for $235 on eBay and you find it online for $100, which is so easy to find, you make $100 profit. And you never spend your money. Smash the like button if you love me right now. I know you do. Listen, it is very simple to do. You can do this right now. Now listen, I want to give you another strategy if you want traffic. Because you might say, okay, Wes, how can I sell more of this to make $1,000 a day? Now listen, this is something that many people are not aware of, and I'm going to expose it right here in this video. All I ask you to do is sub to the channel and smash the like button, because I'm about to blow your mind. Listen, there's a software. I'm going to put it under this video in the description. Listen, it's going to allow you to get traffic out. I mean, let me tell you, you're going to get so much traffic to whatever website, whatever product you want, that's going to guarantee sales and sales and sales. And the great thing about this software, it finds traffic in the niche. Let me give an example. Say if you post this laptop here, right? Listen, before you go in the bio or under this video in the description and click it and get access, listen, you see this right here? Say if you want to sell a lot of this. By yourself, you may sell one or two. With the software that is in my description under this video, okay, it's called Shark, well, you're going to sell 10 a day, okay? Because it sends you traffic that is in the niche of laptops, which means it searches the web, it finds information, electronics in this exact niche, and it does the work for you, which means it drives traffic to your post on eBay. So imagine doing this to 10 products a day. That's over $1,000 easy per day. That's $30,000 per month. Now listen, this type of software, you're right, it's a bunch of money. It's like $1,000 a month. But to me, it's worth it if you're making $1,000 a day. But I want to do something cool and crazy, right? Because, well, I'm crazy. And I think you crazy too, because you're about to be crazy rich. Listen, for 10 people right now, I'm going to give access to this software that basically sends automatic traffic to you within 24 hours to any of these products that you're going to post on eBay. I'm going to give it to you for $17. Only 10 people that decide to go to that link in my description. It says Shark. Wesley Virgin and I Shark. If you see that, just say, do it for me, Wes. It's going to say, do it for me, Wes, because I'm basically doing it for you. Because once you set it up, it's done. Once you set up the software one time, you can do this in 5 minutes. That software is going to send so much traffic to you. You're going to say, Wesley, I love you so much that you're going to come to Houston, give me a big old hug, and say, thank you, Wesley Virgin, for making me money. Listen, making money online is very simple. Many of you are making it difficult because you're not patient. Everybody thinks that it's so complicated and it's so hard and only the rich people have the secrets. Listen, I just gave you the secrets. And to be honest with you, it's no secrets, right? The issue is you just got to do it. If you do this, you will make a ton of money. Link, watch the video again if you need to. But the first 10 people right now, And I do this every single month, 10 people per month. If you want access to that software, it's $17. If you're number 11, you're too late. You're bad. It's $1,000 a month. It's just too late. I'm sorry. If you click that link and the disabled, that means it's just too late. So it's up to you. I don't know if you're a man, woman, husband, 9-to-5 grinder. I'm not sure who you are. Maybe you're a Wesley Virgin fan. But listen, this may be your one opportunity for you to retire, not just yourself, but your family as well. So you're going to live that dream that you've already been thinking about anyway. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if that's what you want. Well, go ahead and click it. Get it. It's only $17. And watch you sell so much product. And instead of $100 a day, $1,000 a day. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated! Dedicated, like, get it!